Alright guys, it's your boy Robert here. We have, oh, let me turn on the light, the better light. There we go guys. Alright, so we have a requested Jessie's cooking corner for the making of Sayote. A Sayote dish, that is. Alright, so Jess is just heating up the pot here. She put in some oil, right Jess? Alright, so the Sayote, is there another Sayote? Okay, so remember guys, Jess picked a whole bunch of these right here near our house.
One, you have to put glove because the juice is really making your skin.
That's some is that vegetable or what kind of oil is that?
Extra olive oil.
Extra olive oil right there guys. And now she's cooking the garlic. Is that it, Jess? Garlic?
Yeah, garlic.
Okay. Huh? They light over there. So let the garlic going in. Alright.
There's a tomato.
Tomato going in, guys. Ooh, look at that. That thing smells good already. I love garlic. You like garlic, Jeff?
Ha! Splashing.
What happened? Uh-oh. Yeah. What? Alright, so we got that cooking, guys. And I'm kind of like jumping ahead, guys. We got some sardines in the can here, and Jess is drinking. You know what? I'm gonna sample this too. That's some Mike's. Oh, I don't want to say. I don't want to say it. Calm down, YouTube. Calm down, because you know when I mentioned drinks, they're gonna demonetize that video.
Why?
Yeah, because they don't like drinks, I guess. They don't want us advertising any drinks. So, yeah. Because that time, you know, when we had the drinks, when we was drinking over at Courtyard Marriott.
Yeah.
The $3.50, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't even monetize that. Yeah, because I always mentioned, yeah. I don't know. I guess it's not.
It's not
advertiser friendly. That's what they say.
Okay.
There we go, guys. So the onion just went in, guys. Look at that. What's going on, Eliza? You're making funny noises over there. Okay. Eliza over there making funny noises for some reason. The onions are in, guys. Look at that. Ooh, look at you. Oh, man. There you go. This is an aerial view, guys. I'm going to fly my drone in here. Sorry about the shadow, guys.
You have a shadow.
Yeah, we do need a better setup. I don't know. We gotta figure this out. I think we gotta clear up all that thing over there and make like a camera angle. What this dish is? This thing's just coming together quickly, right, Jeff? Look at that, guys. Woo! Look at that. So that's the there you go, guys. Sardines just went in. Man. Who likes sardines out there? Raise your hand.
Isn't that fish?
Yeah, that's fish.
Yeah, it's a fish. Isn't
Okay. Yeah, so right there, Jess already chopped up the Sayote. Look at Jess's apron. And yes, she's using her uniform again. Okay, a cup of water.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, there we go.
Just cook it.
There you go, guys. We're cooking the sardines in there. Well, it's actually already cooked, but we're just heating it up there, making it better, making it more tasteful. And check this out over here, guys. Just fried this up also. Some dumplings in effect. I'm gonna sample a little dumpling right now. A little sample here. Look at this, guys. Oh wow. Oh. That was really good. Really good, guys. So Jess is gonna make a sauce for it. For the dumpling. What you got there, Jess?
That's vinegar.
Chili pepper vinegar?
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, we got chili pepper vinegar. Look at that, homemade.
I made that.
Huh? You made that, Jeff?
I put plenty.
Wow.
There's a chili right there.
Okay.
I put it there.
Mm.
And then you put soyu.
Okay. There's some shoyu right there, guys. And that's the sauce.
Dad, I ate a McChicken.
Hmm?
I ate a McChicken earlier.
So,
Okay. You're done?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Ethan boy is done, he said.
What do you
How
guys
about you, Liza?
I ate chicken nuggets.
Hmm?
I ate chicken nuggets. Isn't that tuna?
Okay. You guys don't want to eat rice?
that tuna is sardines.
I know, isn't that like tuna?
No.
That's it now.
No, it's not.
So I got the big baby.
Yeah. Well, put him back already. Oh, here we go. Oh, Jess is sampling away with the sauce. Look at that, guys. Woo!
It's spicy a little bit.
Mm-hmm. All right. All right. So Jess is gonna prepare us some drinks, guys.
Sometimes.
Oh, watch out.
No mentioning.
Jess is gonna make her own. All right, guys. So it was roughly 10 minutes, right, Jess? Around there.
Excuse me.
Whoa, what's going on there?
Just put
So the sayote is finally going in, guys. After 10 minutes of that thing boiling by itself, now it's going in.
in
Man,
with
sorry about the shadow, guys.
the shadow and the
No,
shadow.
it's from my shadow and I just...
Ah,
Yeah, we need better lighting over here too, guys. Sheesh, do apologize. Okay, Jess is going to put black pepper.
salt.
And some salt. Wow. Woo. And there you go, guys.
Hold it until
So now we're just gonna cook it some more until it softens up, and then that's pretty much it, right?
and I'm gonna put egg.
What? You gonna put egg?
Yeah.
Oh, sheesh, I didn't know that. Guys, we are gonna put some egg in there.
So I opened that one.
Oh yeah? Egg, kind of like
It's good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
If you don't like it, you
All right.
don't have to put it.
Okay, well, yeah. If you guys don't want egg in your sayote dish, you don't have to put, guys. That's what Jess said. But I don't know. I think this might be the first time I've ever tried this dish with eggs, right, Jess? Okay, so yeah. So yeah, we're just enjoying some drinks, waiting for the sayote dish to finish cooking. And then, yeah, we're just going to chow down. So, I'll show you guys the finished product in just a few minutes. Stick around. Alright, guys. So, it is done. So, I'll give you guys a little view here. There we go, guys. Look at that. Sayote! Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh man, yeah, mix that up, Jess. Mix that up. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Holy moly macaroni. Man, this camera is not doing this thing justice, man. Look at that. Woo! Man, got some eggs in there too. Oh my goodness. Good Lord. Lord have mercy, guys. Man, I might have to eat a lot of rice. Sheesh. Oh, goodness. Alright, guys. Okay. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for joining us for another episode of Jess's Cooking Corner. So that was sayote. Sayote dish with sardines, right, Jess? Yes. And this time around, with some eggs also, guys. So sayote sardines with eggs. Right there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. Either way, if you really, really liked it, hit the subscribe button, guys. That's all I care. And your comments. Leave your comments down there, guys. Alright, here you go. Give you guys a little parting shot. Woo.